Hello friend, welcome to my channel Sumit Health and Medicine. So I have started to help the people those they want to speak English, that to particular in home. They don't want to go for tuition and whatsoever, they don't have money, even though they will practice, they will try. So definitely in home they can speak in English themselves little bit. They have to put effort, they have to be regular, and they have to be consistent. So first day, if anyone, those they are from Hindi medium, they want to speak English, how they can speak English. In previous video already I shared few tips. So today's video I am going to share few more tips. First day, how you start to speak English. So first day, what you have to do, try to speak simple English. Simple English means मैं जा रहा हूँ, आई एम गोइंग, वह आ रहा है, ही इज़ कमिंग, मैं खाने जा रहा हूँ, आई एम गोइंग टू ईट द फूड, मैं मार्केट जा रहा हूँ, आई एम गोइंग टू मार्केट, सिट हियर, यहाँ बैठो, गो देयर, वहाँ जाओ, उसका फ़ोन आया, हिज फ़ोन केम. तो सिंपल जो सेंटेंसेस है, सिंपल जो वर्ड्स है ना, दैट ट्राई टू मेमोराइज, ट्राई टू रिमेंबर. एंड वन मोर थिंग, इफ़ यू वांट टू स्पीक इंग्लिश, ट्राई टू think in English itself. Do not try to translate from Hindi to English, otherwise it will be very difficult for you to speak English. So try to think itself in English. How you can think itself in English? Second, what you have to do, those they want to learn English, they want to speak English. So previous video, as I told, you should listen the news channel, that to BBC news channel and CNN news channel. BBC, why? Because it is British broadcast, so you will get British accent how to speak. Second one is CNN news channel, that is American news channel, so you will get the American accent, how they used to speak. उच्चारण, एक तो ब्रिटिश का उच्चारण इंग्लिश में और एक अमेरिकन का उच्चारण इंग्लिश में कैसे करते हैं, इसलिए बोला. बट इफ़ you are going to start, and from news channel you are getting difficulties because they used to speak little bit fast. Some words you cannot understand, some sentences you cannot understand. For what you have to do, try to watch and listen children cartoon, बच्चों का cartoon, but try to listen in British cartoon and American cartoon. Try to watch, try to listen. Main listening बहुत important है. And like this example, Peppa Pig, British accent का cartoon है, that you should try to listen. Got it? So in this, Peppa is a character, she is a girl, and उसकी मम्मी है, उसके पापा है, उसका भाई है. So she used to talk, and whatsoever family daily it is going on, she is going to a school, she is discussing with brother, she is discussing with grandma, grandpa, papa, mama, friend and everything. What are you doing, papa? Peppa मतलब papa. What are you doing, mama? I am going to play, I am going to a school, I want to eat, I want to dance, and so on. So like this आपको मिलेगा बहुत सारा उसमें simple words she used to speak, simple sentences. So इसको आप daily 1 घंटा, if daily you are able to watch, or some other channels also you can adjust. For example, I have shared this channel name, otherwise it is not my intention to promote any YouTube channel. So आपको सुनना है daily, try to listen, and so it will be very effective. If you are not watching, leave it. Just if you want to listen, you can listen. So listening is very important. So we'll come to know how what she is telling and how she is telling. So try to memorize what she is telling, how she is telling. So it will be very helpful to speak. तो simple sentences, simple words you will come to know, and you will keep on starting. क्योंकि क्या है ना, starting में आपको simple words and simple sentences only you will get to speak. So first you have to, whatsoever hesitation you are having, that you have to remove from your inside. What it, जो hesitation है ना, वो हटाना है. तो एक बार hesitation बाहर आ जाएगा ना, तो you will feel little bit comfortable. तो इस तरह के आप कार्टून चैनल को वॉच करना जारी रखिएगा, ठीक है ना. जितना सुनिएगा, हाउ मच यू आर गोइंग टू गिव टाइम इन लिसनिंग, दैट मच फास्ट यू आर गोइंग टू listen. One more thing I told you, try to read the daily newspaper. So it will twist your tongue, and how to pronounce particular sentences, particular words. So it will come into your tongue. So it will be very easy for you to speak in front of anyone. To try to read the newspaper or any story books or anything. बच्चों का बुक भी आप पढ़ सकते हैं. That is also very useful if it is available with you. Otherwise online so many content is available on mobile phone. No need to spend extra single पैसा. ठीक है. तो this thing daily you are going to practice. Like this मैं जा रहा हूँ, I am going, I want to eat. सिंपल है ये. सिट डाउन, यहाँ बैठो. गो देयर, वहाँ जाओ. ही इज़ कॉलिंग, वो बुला रहा है. ठीक है. सिंपल वर्ड, सिंपल सेंटेंसेस. इससे आप स्टार्ट करिए. ठीक है ना. और जैसे आपका फ्रेंड है तो फ्रेंड से पूछिए व्हाट आर यू प्लानिंग, वेयर वी कैन गो. ठीक है ना. ब्रिंग द बाइक, बाई बाइक वी कैन गो. तो सिंपल सेंटेंसेस, सिंपल वर्ड्स यू हैव टू start. You have to keep on practicing, and you have to be regular, and you have to be consistent. So slowly you will get confident, slowly you will remove your hesitation, and definitely slowly you are going to start how to speak English, and it will be very useful. So second day, third day, fourth day, so day by day you will see yourself you are improving a lot. So like this you can start speak English, and after 3 to 4 months definitely like this you will keep on doing. Means after 3 to 4 months you can speak simple English, that is sure, without hesitation and without fear. So next video में some more tips I am going to discuss with you. So it will be very helpful those they want to speak English in home itself without tuition or without anything.